How are you?
Very well, how are you?
I'm fine. Is it audible?
Yeah, fully.
Yeah, hi, how are you firstly?
Very well, आप कैसे हो?
मैं ठीक हूँ. So कैसा रहा lockdown 1 year?
अच्छा था यार, अभी भी मतलब फीलिंग तो सेम ही है.
Yeah, so firstly congratulations. क्या response है trailer का? How does it
बहुत
feel?
अच्छा है यार. It's really interesting. It's really good. Show's about to release in a week's time. It's around the corner. बहुत अच्छा है. It's a mixed kind of a reaction that we are getting. You know, like my friends and all that. They're saying something is very different. Something it's looking fun. So we're excited about it because मजेदार है overall. पूरा का पूरा जो response है. And now we are waiting. अब तो आ गया show. देखेंगे तो कैसा लगेगा.
Also, how similar and different it is from the boys' locker room that we heard and saw last year. काफी इसका noise था, buzz था. So how similar it is or different it is?
It is different. It basically is about 4-5 different stories kind of weaved in together on the basis of what happens in the digital world and the web world. Locker Room is a part of a story of a particular character that kind of happens. So it's not based on Locker Room, but it's a part of a story of a particular character that kind of goes through the same thing in the series. So it's that. So, and otherwise it talks about 5 different other stories. It talks about long distance relationship. It talks about online gaming. It talks about, the people, what they are doing for likes and comments, until what extent they are going. It talks about a part of a character talks about the locker room and the crass things that kind of goes behind it and the madness that happens. And it talks about a lot of other things, but everything to do with the digital world, everything that takes place on the web world, obviously told in the most humorous manner, told in the most entertaining manner. It's not a dark show, or it is not a scary show, or it's not a family friendly show. It is all those things, but of course sheds a light on everything, and kind of gives you that jolt that, hey, this is also there. So I mean, just think about it.
Also, Varun, how has your lockdown been? How much time did you invest in Instagram or Twitter or Facebook? How
So
much?
to be very honest, I invest a lot of time. I'll be wrong to say that I don't. I invest a lot of time. I mean, lockdown's been great. Yeah. I mean, I've been home. I've spent a lot of time with my mother. With the grace of God, I was very busy and I was on my feet like for the past 2 years before the lockdown happened. I was working on Chichore. I was working on Ruhi. I was working on Khandani Shafa Khana. Arjun Patel I was releasing. So constantly with the grace of God, I was on the run for the last 2 years. So I couldn't spend that much of time in physicality with my family at home. So lockdown kind of gave me that option of just being at home and spending time. I did all the house errands with my mother, and she was very happy about it. I learned painting from her. So it was kind of interesting. It was kind of therapeutic. It was like meditation for me at some point. But at the same time, social media, I've been a part of it. Like, I used to wake up with my phone in my hand and go to bed with my phone in my hand. But then I wanted to rectify it, and I started kind of not using it that much. I made it a point that I don't keep my phone in my room, and I keep it outside in the living room when I'm crashing, when I'm going off to bed, or not seeing social media 1 hour prior to when I'm sleeping and 1 hour after that I've woken up. So that automatically cuts down 2 hours. So then I started getting better sleep. So I've kind of followed it, and that's become a pattern of my life. यार आपका अटक गया इंटरनेट.
Were great camaraderie on screen. So how was it working with? Am I audible?
अब आए हो वापस.
Yeah, can you hear me? Did you?
I can now. I can now.
Yeah, so you and Manjot have worked together in Fukre. How different was it to shoot for a web series, and how was it meeting him after a long gap? And was the shoot before the pandemic or during the pandemic?
So this is the first thing that we shot after the first lockdown, when things kind of started getting opened, and we had the permission of shooting. So this is the first thing that we shot. Manjot and me, with this about, we've been like always been some great friends there. So I wasn't meeting him after a long time. I mean, in fact, I didn't meet him during the course of the shoot because he had his own story, I had my own story, and I was shooting on my own, and he was shooting on on his own. But we used to keep chatting, like even before the show. It's on a regular basis. Every third day, the gang kind of gets onto a call and we chat with each other, check on each other, and play games online. So that is like a part of life, and that is kind of there. So it just is very interesting that we got a chance to collaborate again on a series which is so interesting. But again, it's different stories. So I met him literally during the promotions on an interview. Well, that's the only place during the course of Chutzpah that we've kind of met together, is only in an interview, because मैं तो अकेले ही अपना कर रहा था, वो भी अपना अकेला कर रहा था, अलग अलग चले गए थे, तब जब पूरी चीज बन गई तो साथ में हो गई.
Also, how when it comes to cyberbullying, we have seen a lot of cases. Some are true, some are false. How do you react, or how do you take trolls? Obviously, you are one of those most loved actors who's not trolled at all. But then we see a lot of social media trolling. What is your take on social media trolls and cyberbullying?
Yeah, it is. It's not the correct thing. I think it's the absolutely the most wrong thing to happen. And cyberbullying, I think it should. I mean, now there are laws for it, and it's become very strict, and people at least are a little scared of that right now. And it should be. Trolling is, of course, here. I mean, it really affects people. I mean, anyone who says that it doesn't affect me or it does not, I don't read it and all that, I personally feel is lying. I think everyone reads everything. Everyone kind of gets affected and takes a toll on the mental health of any individual for that matter. But at the same time, it's important for you to kind of take that healthy criticism. If someone's not liked something of your actions or of your work or of something that you've done personally in life, if it needs to be rectified, I mean, take that healthy decision, healthy suggestion and kind of rectify that. But apart from it, any random thing, if someone is saying and all that, I think it's easy to say, tough to do, but shouldn't get that much affected, and kind of chat with people. I think it's the most important thing, to talk to your friends, to your loved ones, or the people that you confide in. It's very important to talk, and if you've read something which is affecting you deep down, just chat with someone. Maybe you get another perspective, because if a third person says something to you, it holds of more value. That's basic human nature. So I think that's very important too. We should all do that.
Also, before lockdown, we have seen you on big screen, so many films back to back of yours released, and now it's been like 2 years, almost nearing 2 years, and theaters are not yet opened, and OTT has become a great boon for all of us. Do you miss theaters? What is your take on it?
मेरी तो पिक्चर मार्च में तो थिएटर में पिक्चर रिलीज होती है हमारी, रूही.
हाँ, मतलब उसकी फटक से बंद हो गया, लाइक इमीडिएटली बंद हो.
2 हफ्ते तो नहीं थी.
हाँ, मतलब बहुत लोग देखे भी नहीं, because they were scared and all.
ऐसे मत बोलो, इतने लोगों ने देखी, हमको कलेक्शन.
हाँ, मतलब काफी लोग डरे से भी थे.
100%.
सेकंड वेव भी आ गया.
100% नहीं वो है, but at the same time, I mean, यार सिनेमा का मैजिक मतलब वो जा नहीं सकता कभी. To be very honest, the magic of community viewing, it cannot go. I mean, that is what we've all grown up literally on, and that's what we love. And community viewing experience cannot go. It will take time. It will take time to come back in full swing and have that thing. I mean, then it'll have its more charm of what we've not witnessed in the past 2 years. But we did witness in Ruhi for some people in a certain section, because with the grace of God, we did well. And so, yeah, and OTT, of course, it's a growing platform, and यार दोनों के अपने अपने चार्म है. सिनेमा का अपना चार्म है, ओटीटी का अपना चार्म है. मैं सिनेमा में बॉक्सर पहन के चाय पीते पीते लेट के पिक्चर नहीं देख सकता अपने बच्चे के साथ. अगर मेरा नेफ्यू ही इज जस्ट इन अ वेस्ट एंड ही इज इन हिज लाइक knickers and he's running around in the house and I am in my comfortable pajamas and with like a night suit on, I can't go like that to a theater and watch it. So that has its own charm, this has its own charm, and with the grace of God, the biggest blessing is that we have audiences for both of the things, and that matter. So I mean, it's a huge spectrum. There's so much of content that needs to come out. There are so many stories that needs to be told that a lot of other mediums जितने भी आते रहेंगे वो भी कम पड़ेंगे, क्योंकि इतनी कहानियां लोगों के पास बताने की. मेरा तो मानना ये है.
What do you miss the most of normal life? The pandemic is up, like we are listening, we are hearing ki third wave aayega, but what is that you miss the most?
Street food.
Right. And lastly, what do you have to tell all your fans?
23rd July, Sony Live, Chutzpah, प्लीज देखो क्योंकि आपको बड़ा मजा आएगा और आपको रिलेटेबल बहुत लगेगा. आपको लगेगा यार ये तो मैं हूँ, यार ये तो ये वो है, उसकी बात बता रही, ये कर लिया. So I think it's very relatable and it's a very interesting show and it's a very different show and it's something, a new attempt that as a team we've kind of tried it. So please do watch it and let us know how you like it.
And what next on
Circus.
web?
Circus. So that's a film that I was working on. I'm working on because we've done a lot of it. We've finished a lot of it. It's Rohit sir's film, Rohit Shetty sir's film. And it's got Ranveer Singh, Jacqueline Fernandez, Pooja Hegde, me, Sanjay sir, and a lot of cast. So that is one thing which is going to be out next.
Thank you so much, Varun. All the best. Stay safe. Bye.
Bye. Thank you.
Bye.